I had 72 hours to complete a logo and label design project. The client was Stellar Touch, a new hair oil brand. Her initial budget was around $100 to $150, but I ended up walking out with $200. The client gave me a rough sketch for the logo and shared some design references, but those were just basic templates you can find anywhere online. I didn't know what she liked in each of them, just had to work with what I had. So how did I turn this into a complete brand identity in only 4 days? Let me show you step by step. She wanted 3 deliverables: the logo with 2 variations, the label design, and the product mockups. But I always over-deliver to score some extra points with the clients. I always start the projects in this order: main design, color and typography, then mockups. I also had to make sure that all these phases feel the same visually, so the brand doesn't just look like a copy from the other references. The client's references gave me some ideas for the overall brand mood and typography. But since they were mainly templates, I couldn't just copy them. So I dropped everything inside Illustrator, creating a mood board, which basically is visual and text-based references that help the design meet the client's standards. Normally, I take a day or two for initial sketch, but I ain't got time for that, so I started designing right away. So on a new artboard, I added the navy blue and creme color palette. Now here, on the font, I searched for typography. This step is very important because the font sometimes gives you special characters and glyphs that actually boosts the brand and gives it uniqueness. At this point, I wasn't really feeling the font combo, and that's fine. Usually, it's a sign for me to take a short break, and often, when I come back, it starts growing a bit more on me. Then, when I was refining the client's rough sketch, I started focusing on the female illustration she sent me. I noticed how she drew it, talented drawer by the way, and noticed she wanted to portray a black woman, a bit like this reference right here. So I decided it could be simplified and given predominantly black traits, like the afro plus luxurious lips, because why not? I immediately started seeing the vision. Then I dragged it across to the typography and boom, it all started to look just right. So the logo type is complete. Now for the logo itself, the client needed 2 versions, light and dark. I imagine she won't want the black and white variants, but the white actually blended well within the design, not gonna lie. The afro and lips became the centerpiece, like portraying how you would become after using it. After each break I took, it just started making more and more sense. Next, I moved to the labels. I decided that creme would be the main background color because it had beautiful contrast with the navy blue and revealed the logo type very well. Because we normally read from left to right and up to down, the logo mark is the first thing the audience notices, and then their eyes travel around to see the product name and details. Or am I the only one who sees it like that? I decided to have the design vertically, with colors at the bottom, signaling different aromas and flavors. I then had to showcase the final product, the label on the actual bottle. So in Photoshop, I transitioned it from a flat 2D label design into a 3D mockup. When you show it in a real-life scenario, it really makes the clients understand your vision and also gets them hyped, as mockups are a great way to present ideas smoothly. This saved me a lot of time because I was able to showcase the label on multiple products in one swoop. I also placed the logo on a t-shirt because why not? Demonstrating the full application of the full brand identity. And that's how I made this $140 logo design in just 4 days. The PDF is available on my website, and the client, she said this with a heart eye emoji, also with a $60 tip attached. Can it get even better than that? If you want to see more real case studies and design tips, you can join my Discord and subscribe for more.